have a headache. I'm gonna sit down and do my makeup, talk to y'all. I got, I guess, some interesting stuff going on. Honestly, I don't even know what day it is of quarantine. We're in the month of May. It's May 4th. May the 4th be with you. By the time you're watching this, it's probably not May 4th anymore. Today, I woke up probably the earliest I've ever woken up this whole entire quarantine. I woke up at 7 o'clock today. For a lot of you, that probably is a normal time. For me, it's not. I think like quarantine just really like messed up my sleeping schedule, and I would end up going to bed at like 1:30, like on average, and like not wake up till like 9:30. So I was a little tired, but you know, other than that, it wasn't bad. But the reason why I woke up so early today is because I wanted to try something new. I'm basically challenging myself, a 30-day challenge from today, May 4th, all the way to June 4th. Essentially treating social media as my job. Not that I wasn't taking it seriously, because I mean, I've been doing this for a very long time, every single day almost, but I'm treating it as a job, as that like I have to work, wake up at 7, get dressed to get ready, and like sit down and work a scheduled shift. I'm also gonna be posting 3 times a day on Instagram, creating 2 TikTok videos a day, and posting 1 IGTV a week and 1 YouTube video a week. So I have my work cut out for me, but you know what? I think I could do it. It's proving to be a little easier than I expected. A lot of my content is kind of just blending with each other naturally, and yeah. Alright, y'all, makeup is done. I like the way it came out. It kind of looks cute. I did like a halo eye, but you can't really tell because the colors are like super similar, but either way, not bad. So it's about 12:30 now, and I'm really hungry.
We're back in the building.
He's back from work, technically. And we're gonna make some hot dogs on the grill. It's not so sunny out today, but figured I would get use out of having a grill and use it. Back at it again with the white vans. Today I am making baked sweet potatoes, and yesterday I actually made some black beans because I had like a burrito bowl situation. So I have leftover black beans, I have some ripe avocado. This is how I eat, or how I like to eat my sweet potato, because I'm not much of a sweet person, so I like to kind of mix like something salty and savory with it so that it kind of kills the sweetness a little bit. I have 4 pretty ginormous sweet potatoes. I'm gonna wash them, poke some holes in them, and then put them in the oven to bake for about an hour, like 50 minutes. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my 4 large sweet potatoes here, poked a bunch of holes in them. Oven is set to 425. 50 minutes. Alright, so the sweet potato is cooked, it's opened. I literally just opened it up with a fork. Now I'm gonna put some black beans on top. Oh yeah. Just like that. And then I have some cheese. I'm gonna put that right on top of the beans. and some avocado, about half an avocado, and go to town because this is absolutely delicious.